The debate is finally over. After months of legal battles and political arguments, the US Supreme Court has ruled that the birthright citizenship stays. In a 6-3 decision, the court struck down the President Donald Trump's executive order that aimed to end automatic citizenship for many babies born in the United States. Trump signed the order on January 20, 2025, shortly after beginning his term in 2025, and then in 2026, it's been struck down. The order said that the children born in the US to the parents who were earlier in other countries illegally or on the temporary visa should not be automatically become the American citizens. But the Supreme Court disagreed. The court ruled that the US Constitution continues to protect the birthright citizenship, and that means that anyone born in the US soil is a US citizen under the US Constitution. 3 conservative justices disagreed in the ruling. Justice Samuel Alito, Clarence Thomas, and Neil Gorsuch wrote the disappointments of the opinion. Justice Samuel Alito called the ruling a serious mistake. He argued that the birthright citizenship could create nationality, a big security risk. Alito said that even someone born in the US later grows up in another country and becomes hostile to America, and that person would still keep the US citizenship under the current interpretation of the Constitution. Justice Brett also wrote a separate letter. While he ultimately joined the majority in keeping the birthright citizenship, he said that the Constitution questions was not simple as many believe. The decision has triggered strong reaction, especially politically. While House Deputy Chief of Staff Stephen Miller called the ruling destructive as well as outrageous, Republican Senator Eric Schmidt said that the Congress could now consider constitutional amendment if the lawmakers want to change the birthright citizenship in the future. Supporters of the ruling said that it protects a long-standing constitutional principle that has existed for more than a century. Critics argue that the same issue should have revisited through the constitutional changes rather than the court decisions. The Supreme Court's ruling closes one of the biggest legal battles over the immigration in the recent years. But the political debate over the birthright citizenship is far more from over. The US Supreme Court, on the other hand, has upheld the birthright citizenship in a landmark ruling 6-3 by now. But I would like to know from your opinion, what do you think? Is applying or maybe removing birthright citizenship rule is beneficial or it is bad for the American people? What are your thoughts on this? Make sure to comment down below.